Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power. Use a multimeter to check both the tow vehicle and trailer at 12V so you know where to look. Once done, visually inspect the plug and socket for corrosion, bent pins, or dirt. These are common causes. Make sure the trailer is secured and on level ground. Disconnect the power before you probe pins to avoid shorts. From here, you can trace wiring back from the connector to the lights to isolate the faulty section. Now you trace each wire with a test light or meter. Activate turn signals, brakes, and running lights while observing which circuit fails. When you find a bad splice, cut back to solid copper, then solder or use marine-grade crimp connectors and cover with heat shrink for a waterproof seal. Make sure grounds are rock solid. Clean the mounting surface to bare metal and tighten ground bolts. You want near zero resistance, ideally 0. 0 to 0. 2 ohms. Because poor grounds. To finish, reassemble the connector, route and secure wires with clamps, and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Test every function at different loads. Hook a helper to cycle signals while you watch, then do a short drive test to mimic real conditions. If a problem remains, swap in a known good connector or trailer adapter to isolate the fault and check any converter modules on vehicles for failure. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify the ground and connector continuity first. It solves most stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.